Here in New York. Andrew, good morning to you.
Good morning.
So Lori Loughlin, has looked at everybody else is getting jail time, but she feels that if she can make her case in front of a jury, she's going to walk.
Yeah, I think that she thinks there's a pretty good chance she's going to walk. And what's scary is I think she's right. I think a second or third year law student could break this case because people have been making legal donations, bribes, as prosecutors might call them.
You mean buy a library?
That's right.
Put my name
That's
on
right.
a dorm?
If you contribute $1 million to a Stanford, to a Harvard, your kid's going to get in there. So now Lori Loughlin's saying, wait a minute, I did something that I'm now, prosecutors want to send me to jail for that people have been doing legally for 100 years. So I think once she gets into discovery, once they peel this onion, once they look into it, I think she's going to be found not guilty.
But when you look at and I guess a lot of it has to do with the jury.
Yes.
And she's a TV and movie star. She's sympathetic. She was just doing the best thing she could for her kids.
It's a sympathetic plea. Think about if you were on the jury and someone says, look, I was just trying to get my kid into the best school possible.
Yeah, but don't you think in the back of her head she was thinking, this can't be legal?
She probably thought that, but I think her perspective is, even if I'm found guilty, the sentences so far for the people who have pled guilty have been 4 weeks,
right,
6 weeks, maybe 2 or 3 months. This isn't the kidnapping of the Lindbergh baby, right? She's not going to go to prison for 5, 10, 15 years, so I think she's willing to roll the dice and see what happens.
Well, and Felicity Huffman got, what, 14 days, something like that?
14 days.
But that was also $15,000. In the Lori Loughlin case, it was $500,000. It was a gigantic multiple.
Good point. Much, much larger, so that may factor into the equation. But she's going to be a good witness. She's an actress. She's going to come off well. Prosecutors have an uphill climb in this case. I think she's willing to roll the dice and see what happens.
Prediction?
Not guilty.
Wow, that would really be something. Then all the other parents are going to go, why didn't we do that?
That's right. She won't be going from the full house to the outhouse to the big house.
Indeed. All right, Andrew Stoltmann, thank you very much.
Anytime. Thank you.